Let's go find some fiddlehead ferns. I pinned this spot last year on my Onyx Hunt app while deer hunting because fiddleheads come back in the same areas every spring. And when harvested at the right time, they're one of the best wild spring edibles there is. Now there are many types of ferns, but we're looking for the ostrich fern. And the juvenile shoots of the ostrich fern are called fiddleheads. Now a fiddlehead should be C-shaped on the inside of the stalk, kind of like celery, and it should be smooth with no hairy bits on the stalk or leaves. And you want to be careful and take less than half the stalks per plant or it won't grow back next year. So if there's 7 fronds, take 3. If it's only got 5, take 2. Hey guys, Chef Michael Hunter here with Onyx Hunt. I've got my fiddleheads from over the weekend. We're going to give these a quick scrub. I'm going to show you a great recipe to pair with any main course or a great side dish for any meal. Okay, so I've got my pan preheating. Going to add some olive oil, good healthy amount, a couple tablespoons. I've got my washed fiddleheads here. A couple tablespoons of butter. Into the pan. Salt, pepper, I'm gonna add a lid just to help them steam. Garlic. A small pinch of chili. Now fiddleheads are mildly toxic if consumed raw, so make sure you give it that full 12-minute cook time or else you could potentially get a nasty stomachache. Finally, top with some freshly grated Parmesan cheese. Alright guys, I hope I've inspired you to try foraging for fiddleheads this spring. Get out there, pin those spots. These babies will come back in the same place every year. I hope you enjoy this recipe and try it out at home.